Hello, I'm Sophia with Prestige Business Financial Services. Do you need to boost your credit score 50 to 100 points in as little as 3 to 4 weeks? Position yourself to get approved for funding that car or mortgage. Then Tradelines are the perfect tool to help you get there. Not many people know what Tradelines are and how we can help boost your credit score quickly. That's why we decided to make this video to help you on your financial journey. So Tradelines are seasoned accounts that show on your credit report. One reason they give you your credit profile an extra boost is by giving you a longer credit history for when you don't have much history. When applying for funding, lenders like to see open accounts with more than 2 years in length, which greatly increases your chances when they can see you've been responsible for quite some time. Another reason why Tradelines are beneficial, it's because they decrease your credit utilization, which helps boost your score. Credit bureaus and lenders like to see credit utilization below a 30% threshold. Tradelines also help if you have no open credit cards or only one open credit card by building your profile. Lenders like to see applicants have 2 or more open credit cards. Tradelines come in various different amounts by giving you limits a boost. If you have cards with less than 1,000 in limit, it might not be as helpful because lenders like to see at least $2,000 in credit limits, and the higher the limits, the better. Now that you know how beneficial this tool is, let our team of experts help you today. We will select the right Tradelines based on your situation and provide a quote. Could be 1 to 3 Tradelines to help you achieve the desired result in the shortest time possible. Prestige Business Financial Services offers a free credit report review, free consult, and a free step-by-step action plan to help you get up to $400,000 in funding. Let's boost your credit upwards to 100 points today. Visit us at www.purchasetradelines.com. Again, that is www.purchasetradelines.com.